Have you ever noticed how a free Kia oil change turns into a $400 bill for required extras? Your car was fine, and suddenly it's facing carbon buildup or brake failure. The truth is, Kia's GDI tech is being used to sell services not in your manual. Today, we expose the Kia service scams owners keep reporting and how warranties are used against you. Scam 1. The severe schedule default. If your Kia is engineered to go 10,000 miles between oil changes, why is your dealer sticker telling you to come back in 3,750? This is the severe weather trap. Most Kia dealerships default every customer to the severe maintenance schedule, regardless of how they actually drive. I have audited hundreds of Kia service records. Advisors are trained to ignore the normal schedule because it cuts their revenue in half. They'll tell you that city driving or humidity makes you a severe duty driver. In reality, modern synthetic oils and Kia's SmartStream engines are built for durability. If you aren't towing a trailer through a desert or idling for 8 hours a day as a taxi, you are a normal driver. By following the dealer's sticker instead of the manual, you are paying for 2 extra service visits every year. Over 5 years, that is $1,500 in pure waste. Getting you into the shop is only half the job. Once you're in the chair, they need a high-ticket fix to justify it, something technical, slightly scary, and impossible to check yourself. For Kia owners, that final boss is the engine's intake system. Scam 2. The GDI, carbon cleaning extortion. Is a $300 chemical flush really the only thing keeping your GDI engine from exploding? No. Kia's gasoline direct injection, GDI, engines face carbon buildup, but the professional induction service is a massive profit center, not a mechanical necessity for new cars. The dealership will show you terrifying photos of black carbon on valves. What they don't tell you is that Kia's official solution is a $15 bottle of Kia Genuine Fuel Additive, basically Techron. Dealers charge $250 plus for a mist cleaning. They hook a bottle to your intake and let the car smoke. If your car isn't idling roughly or throwing a P1326 NOx sensor code, that expensive flush is likely unnecessary. Most GDI engines don't need serious manual carbon cleaning until they hit 75,000 plus miles. Selling it at 15,000 is high-altitude robbery. If the engine pitch doesn't work, the advisor will pivot from performance to safety. It's a classic psychological shift. Most people will gamble on a little engine carbon, but very few will gamble on their ability to stop the car at a red light. This is where the fluid test strips come out. Scam 3. The premature brake fluid flush. If your brakes feel firm and your fluid is clear, why are they telling you it's contaminated at only 15,000 miles? Fear sells. Advisors use moisture test strips that are often calibrated to fail far too early to trigger an upsell. Most Kia models don't require a brake fluid exchange until 3 to 4 years or 45,000 miles. Brake fluid is hygroscopic, that is, it absorbs water, which is a real concern. But at 15,000 miles, it's virtually impossible for enough moisture to have entered the sealed system to cause a safety issue. The dealership wants the $150 labor fee for a flush that takes a technician 10 minutes with a vacuum bleeder. It's a silent service. You can't tell if they actually did it, and it makes no difference to a new car's performance. While the brake fluid scam hides behind invisible chemistry, the next tactic is pure theater, the visual reveal. It's the moment your service advisor walks into the lobby holding a piece of your car, showing it to you as proof of why you should be worried. Scam 4. The cabin filter biohazard theater. How does a $15 piece of paper turn into a $90 line item on your bill? By using biohazard language and the dirty filter reveal. In a Kia Sportage or Seltos, the cabin filter is behind a plastic tab in the glove box. It takes 60 seconds to change. Dealerships charge $30 for the part and $50 to $60 in labor. I have seen advisors walk out with a shop filter, a dirty one they keep in a drawer, to show customers because their actual filter wasn't dirty enough to justify the price. This is one of the highest profit margin items in the shop. buy the filter for $14 on Amazon, watch a 30-second YouTube video, and keep that $70 in your pocket. Now at this point, you might push back. You might say, "I'll do the filter myself," or "My brakes feel fine." That's when the advisor pulls the nuclear option. They stop acting like a helpful consultant and switch into a compliance officer, using the one thing you value most as leverage. Scam 5, the warranty void scare tactic. Can a dealership actually note in the system that your warranty is void if you skip a fuel flush? This is a flat-out lie and is technically a violation of federal law. Under the Magnuson-Moss Warranty Act, a manufacturer cannot deny a warranty claim just because you didn't do a dealer-recommended service. They use this threat to silence objections. I've heard advisors say, if the engine fails later, Kia might see you declined this cleaning and deny the claim. Total nonsense. As long as you have records of your oil changes, your engine warranty is safe. The system note is a psychological paper tiger designed to make you feel like you're losing your safety net. Even if you make it past the warranty scare, there's one more big-ticket item hiding in the drivetrain. It's the most expensive component in your Kia after the engine, and the dealer's advice on it often flat out contradicts what your own owner's manual says. If you want to stop walking in blind and start knowing exactly what's real and what's a sales tactic, hit subscribe. Scam 6, the transmission lifetime fluid myth. If Kia says your transmission fluid is lifetime, why is the dealer trying to flush it at 30,000 miles? Well, this happens because it's a double-sided scam. Kia labels fluid as lifetime to lower their advertised cost of ownership, but dealerships want that $400 flush revenue. Lifetime usually means the life of the warranty, about 100,000 miles. You don't need a flush at 30,000. However, flushing, which is done using a machine to force fluid through, can actually be harmful to some modern Kia IVT and DCT transmissions by dislodging debris. A simple drain and fill at 60,000 is much safer and cheaper. The 30,000 power flush is a dealer-invented service interval designed to extract cash before you decide to trade the car in. By now, you've realized that the service drive is a gauntlet of sales pitches. But the most effective pitch of all is the one they give you for free. It's the courtesy inspection, a gesture that feels like a favor, but is actually a search and destroy mission for your bank account. Scam 7, the courtesy multi-point inspection. Why does every free inspection end with a list of red items that weren't there an hour ago? The free inspection isn't a service, it's a sales audition. Technicians are often paid a flat rate, meaning they only make money when they find things to fix. I've seen red flags for brake pads with 5 millimeters of life remaining. For a Kia, 5 millimeters is roughly 40% of the pad, meaning you have thousands of miles of safe driving left. But the color-coded sheet makes it look like a crisis. Always ask for the decimal measurement in millimeters. If they can't give you a number, they didn't actually measure it. They just looked at it and saw a commission check. To bridge the gap between the alignment scanners and the tire upsells, we need a link that connects the undercarriage to the rubber. Once they label your alignment compromised, the focus shifts to your tires. By the time they warn about premature wear and pitch tire protection, you're already on edge. For many owners, the first sign of this problem isn't in the drive. It's a computer report handed over before they even step out. That's where the digital theater starts. Scam 8, the wheel alignment ghost. If your steering wheel is straight and your tires are wearing perfectly, why is a computer screen at the service entrance telling you that your car is dangerously out of alignment? This is the drive-over checker scam. Many modern Kia dealerships have installed laser scanners in the service drive that scan your wheels as you pull in. I've seen these machines in action. They are high-tech sales tools, not precision diagnostic equipment. They are notoriously sensitive to the speed at which you drive over them and the angle of your tires. Dealers love these because they produce a red/green report before you even turn off your engine. It looks scientific, but it's often set to a tight tolerance, meaning if your alignment is off by even 0.01 degrees, which is meaningless in the real world, it flashes red. I've had owners tell me they got a red result at the dealer, drove across the street to an independent tire shop, and the professional alignment rack showed everything was perfectly in spec. Unless you feel a pull, have a crooked steering wheel, or see feathering on your tire tread, that drive-over report is just a ghost designed to haunt your wallet for $140. If they can't sell you on the position of the tires, they'll try to sell you on the air inside them. Scam 9, the nitrogen tire inflation upsell. Is a set of green valve caps really worth the $99 dealer protection package that was quietly added to your service invoice? No, while nitrogen has benefits in aircraft and race cars, the advantage for a daily driven Kia is practically invisible. Dealerships will tell you that nitrogen doesn't leak as fast as air because the molecules are larger. While technically true, the air we breathe is already 78% nitrogen. You're paying $100 for an extra 22% purity. They claim it prevents pressure fluctuations, but your Kia's TPMS system is designed to handle those minor changes. The real scam? Most shops don't even perform a true purge, that is, vacuuming out the old air. They just top off your tires with nitrogen, meaning you still have regular air inside. It is the most inflated profit margin in the automotive world. If you want nitrogen, many tire centers offer it for $5, not the $100 membership the dealership pushes. Finally, we move from the tires back to the engine bay, to a fluid that is often over-serviced for no reason other than profit. Scam 10, the engine coolant exchange. Prematurity. Your coolant is bright pink and your temp gauge is perfect, so why is the advisor saying it's acidic at only 30,000 miles? Because Kia's modern long-life coolant is rated for 10 years or 120,000 miles, and the dealer wants to charge you for it 3 times before you ever reach that limit. I have seen service menus where coolant service is listed as a 30,000 mile requirement. When you challenge them with the owner's manual, they'll say, the manual is for perfect conditions, but in our climate, the fluid breaks down. This is a scare tactic. Modern ethylene glycol coolants are incredibly stable. Unless you have a leak or a cooling system repair, flushing this fluid early is a waste. They are replacing high-quality factory fluid with a generic bulk coolant just to charge you $200. Maintaining a Kia shouldn't be a battle of wits, but in 2026, the service drive has become a sales floor. By knowing these 10 scams, you've moved from being a target to being an informed owner. You aren't being difficult by asking questions. You're being a steward of your own money. Have you been hit with a GDI cleaning fee or a red alignment report recently? What was the total? Share your dealership stories in the comments. It might be the warning another owner needs to hear today. Because smart ownership starts with knowing when to say no. And if you want straightforward, no-nonsense advice on making vehicles last as long as possible, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching.